YouTube? This is All Things Quick. So today I was not going to record at all, but I had to rush out my door and get this car on a tow truck and get it out because this was my only opportunity to get it here at the moment. So anyways, I'm going to get this in here because it's cold outside and I'm not trying to use up heat right now. I'm going to pull it in, then we're going to talk about it. Alright, so I just got this car in here, and yeah, like I said, it was just one of those things I had to get out the door and get this car here. I was not even going to record today, but I had a good opportunity to get the tow truck over here. So this car has a blown engine. Well, not a blown engine, it's a blown head gasket. I shouldn't have run it like that. I just needed to get it here, so if it did any damage, then we'll fix that later when we do an engine swap. But pretty much, I got this thing in here. It's in here. I'm happy about that. I'm going to let all this stuff melt off the car here, all the snow. I scraped this all off earlier, so then less snow would be on here. This car is here now. I don't have my hoist installed yet, but that's okay. I just wanted to get this in the shop so I can do stuff before I even get the hoist installed, because I'm not going to be having the hoist in here for like another week or so. But anyways, this is an update of my shop. I have a couch in here that I got this couch for free out of town. I went and picked it up. It's leather. It was peeling and they put a couch cushion on top of it, or a cover. I bolted this cup holder here that I used to run in my old Dodge Dakota. I bolted that on there, so now I got a cup holder so I can drink coffee and chill out. Got these pillows from the dollar store, so it's super chill in here. Got my welding mask up, got my clipboard over there so I can do some thinking. And I got all my tools all organized and everything's good. Got my compressor installed, but I need to get some fittings here for the airline. So that I don't have yet. That I'm gonna probably grab tomorrow. Got my shelves up here, which is really nice. Got it all organized the way I wanted it. Got some extra spotlights here. Air hoses, got some extra intercooler piping up there, some parts like a drive shaft up there, extra exhaust pieces. I got an exhaust bar welded right up top there. That is in a place that I could put it wall to wall for an exhaust pipe to be there. That one that I have is 3 inches and it's small. It's a cut off of what I was using before. And I got my charging station here. I also got these lights here. These are the lights I used to have in my mom's backyard. So I have them all set up over here all the way around. And it's really convenient because basically when I want to just chill out and I'm not doing like work and stuff, I can turn the main lights off and it gives it a really chill feeling here. Just hang out on the couch, relax, think, eat some food, do something, you know, and just kind of be here, right? So anyhow, that's that. This is good lighting for filming though, so I like that. But yeah, it's a super chill space. Very happy with the way that all this came together. I still got to get some shelves up. I still got to, like, up here, I'm doing some shelving for my painting business. So when I'm doing extra jobs and stuff, I can have unrelated shop stuff up on the top right there. And right there, I can put some shelving there, right? And also, a good thing about this unit, it's got its own fuse panel and it has its own thermostat. So happy about that because I like it really warm all the time. Like I was saying, this engine is not running good. I don't know if you heard that, but it is not running good. I'm gonna have to do some stuff with that. I still got to get the other 3-liter engine over here. There's still some loose end parts at my mom's that I'll need, but I got pretty much everything that I need here to be able to reassemble this car. Let's make this E46 great again. Just a little update video of what's going on. It's nothing too thorough. I'm not actually doing any work on this. If I do any work, it's gonna be a separate video, but just wanted to give an update of what's going on with the shop space. Super awesome. I love this place. It's great. Very chill in here. Good neighbors. That's that. So I know it wasn't the same as a normal video, but if you did like that video, definitely hit that subscribe button. There'll be lots more stuff where this is coming from. And if you want to check out my previous videos or playlists, you can check out a link right here, right now. You can see everything leading up to this. We didn't start out in a shop. We ended up in a shop. And where I came from is a humble beginning. So hit that like button. Check out my other videos. Definitely drop a comment down below. Let me know what you thought of this. And don't forget to join our Discord server. Links in the description. Same with WhatsApp. And we'll catch you in the next one. See you later.